3, 2, 1, here we go.
I love it! I love it!
Tignan mo yan!
Sarap talaga!
Sarap na sarap si Kuya eh, oh. Mapaitin siya sa sarap eh.
I love it!
Look at the reaction of the emotion. Talagang, you know, Isa, that was good. Pero,
You
parang,
got it!
he wants, how do you feel? How do you feel about that?
It's like he genuinely enjoyed that burger.
It's like it was exactly what it was. Yun talaga. There was a party inside your mouth. Listen, Arm, I'm telling you now, okay? These are the current, of course, endorsers of Jollibee. These are the bosses of Jollibee. Sir, ma'am, guys, this is talent. Talent.
Undiscovered talent.
You never know, diba? Even Julia,
I was so impressed.
diba? Talaga ibang klase. You never know. This moment could change your life. Hindi ko lang, sinasabi ko lang. So, round of applause to Arm and Lisa. Very nice. Okay, thank you. Nicely done. Now we have Patrick and Dory. Okay? My mga fans. Tingnan mo yan. Oh, okay. So here's, of course, this is Patrick. This is Dory. Joshua, Julia, Patrick, Dory. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, what can you say for Patrick and Dory in terms of advice for this Langhap Sarap? Anong pwede pa na malaman?
Actually, it's nice that they went ahead. Nakita niyo yung ginawa ng guy. Perfect talaga yun. Kasi you can't expect.
Sabihin niyo sa last na nagsarap. Kasi sarap eh. Lalo na.
Okay, so yun ang gagawin natin. When you did it right away, sabihin nila sarap. Talagang mouth it out. Mouth mo, like,
Kahit puno-puno ko yung
I-feel mo,
bawang
i-feel mo yung sarap.
i-feel mo yung sarap ng burger. Okay, so yan ang titignan mo, Joshua. So Patrick, ha? Look at, this is a very heavy, talented effort. I-feel mo yung sarap ng burger. I-feel natin, okay? Ikaw din, Dory, feel the sarap of the burger. Alright, here we go. Patrick and Dory's Langhap Sarap Challenge. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Natingin na! Yung talaga! Commercial na commercial! Nakita mo yung...
Kaya.
I like that.
Comments, how do you feel about it? How do you feel about that? Yung talagang... was an explosion.
I don't know, I'm afraid somebody's gonna replace us.
I didn't know, no, to be part of the next commercial.
No, that was good.
Do you
We
like...
felt it.
Ba't kayo nagharap-harap? Ba't kayo nagtinginan? Naku, iba talaga yung dalawa. Yung dalawa mo. Ganyan pag kumakain talagang pag nakagano'n makaharapan kayo talaga. Kaya tayo talaga. Kayo talaga.
Sabay tayo.
Very nice. So, of course, Dory and Patrick is giving a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, you each get, of course, prizes courtesy, of course, of Jollibee. Thank you. Keep the burger. Enjoy it. This is a lot of fun. Okay, so thank you for participating. It's been fun. You guys are helping people get better at eating the burger. The masters, helping out everyone. Arm, I'm telling you have it. You have it. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, so we had the Langhap Sarap process. We now have the two-step process, which we, of course, experienced. We had people experience it for themselves, which is great. Now, of course, we will now have a welcome celebration. Okay, our night will not be complete, as you know, if we do not have our best friend here with us. I'm sure
Kilala ng lahat yan.
kilala ng lahat yan, okay? What's that? But before that, so that you can of course enjoy the whole experience with everyone, we want everyone here to experience the Langhap Sarap moments that Julia and Joshua and our friends from the media and the fans have. So everyone is going to get, of course, a Yum Burger. So please, here you go, it comes. There you go, everyone is going to be getting, there you go, and with matching iconic messages on the
I
burger.
want that!
You want?
I want to post it!
You want one? Doesn't he do it also? He doesn't write things down?
Give me one!
Justin Bieber, right now,
Maningaw ko yan isa.
sige ba yung isa? Tapos magsunod ka ng custom very nice. So everyone is going to experience
Gagawin ka man naman.
gagawa ko para sincere, handwritten. You might not understand the writing.
Mas bata, right?
But still, baka,
With love.
o tingnan mo, nabigyan ng kaagad.
Thank
Okay.
you.
What is it?
It's teaching me the two-step trigger. I was expecting something sweeter.
Sweet. So he will of course write something down for you and do a custom for the Langhap Sarap. Okay, so again, everyone is going to be getting a Langhap Sarap Yum Burger for everyone. Again, the steps are there in case you missed it, so that you can learn how to experience. Thank you. Well, I'm married.
Oh my god, I'm vulnerable.
Yes, iba talaga yung effect nitong si Joshua. But very, thank you, I really appreciate it. I'll keep this. I'll put it over here. I'll eat it later. Okay. So, everyone gets a Langhap Sarap Yum Burger. Very nice. Okay. So, now ladies and gentlemen, now that everyone has a Yum Burger in hand, now it is time to experience and meet our best friend. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome to the stage Jollibee. Let's have him come on.